I grew up hearing that men don't cry, that they should endure in silence. But inside I was bleeding, lost, overwhelmed. Pride was armor, faith was just tradition, until God confronted me in the silence of darkness. I tried to be strong alone, I fell because of myself. I discovered that no man prevails without the Father. Being a real man isn't about dominating, it's about kneeling, surrendering, and letting God reign. It's not a clenched fist, it's a broken heart. I was weak in my ways, but in Him I am lifted up. I traded applause for truth, appearance for the cross. Today my identity doesn't come from the world, it comes from Jesus. The struggle still exists, the flesh tries to scream, but the word reminds me who I chose to listen to. I'm not perfect, I depend on grace. Christ is who sustains me when my soul is in danger.